Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a name puzzle game on SeeSaw. So the first thing you need to do is click on the Add Response bar. Then you're going to click on Sample Student. Except you're not going to click on Sample Student, you click on your name. Next you're going to click on the pencil or the pen tool. I'm going to use the pen tool. You can change the color. I'm going to change it to green. And maybe a dark green. And you're going to use your finger or the mouse to write your name on the top lines. I'm going to write Mickey because that's what my family calls me. M-I-C-K-E-Y, Mickey. Then you're going to touch the move icon, this little hand right here. You can touch the move icon, touch that, and you're going to be able to move the letters with your finger. But before you do that, you're going to come up and touch the microphone icon. And it's going to say start recording. And then you're going to move the letters and say the letter name as you move it. So I'm going to start with the letter M and I'm going to move it over here. M. And you need to say the letters that are in your name. I need to find the I. Here's a lowercase I. M-I. I need the lowercase c. Here's the lowercase c, M-I-C. And move that, touch it and move it up. M-I-C. Find the K. You're going to use your finger to do this. The lowercase k. Touch that and move it up. M-I-C-K. E, the lowercase e. I touch the lowercase e. And the lowercase y. I touch the y. And I move it up, put it right next to the e. So I moved all the letters for my name up here, and I said the names for the letters. This is important. I want you to say the names of the letters that are in your name. So I moved the letter M, I, C, K, E, and Y. And I wrote the name Mickey here also. Friends, the uppercase letters are for the first letter in your name. The lowercase, the small letters, are for all the other letters in your name. You only use an uppercase letter for the first letter in your name because it's a name. It shows that it's a name. When you are finished, friends, you're going to touch the green button 2 times. You can actually stop the recording, touch the green button, touch the green button again, touch it 2 times. And then your work is finished and uploaded for me to see. I can't wait to see the work you do. Have fun and remember to use the recording button and to say the letters in your name. Get to work.